guys, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.8. Since the good set of FAQs is now displayed on the screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc. Room category 2. About amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is fine in case guests to enjoy the surroundings. 2 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description of the video. If you are facing this property, you can tell us about the if you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comments. If you are new on this channel, you have to subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can see more of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.